Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. We all love editing videos in DaVinci Resolve and it is filled with lots of tools which sometimes difficult to find for a beginner. But no need to worry. I am gonna make a whole playlist on tutorial of DaVinci Resolve, so do not forget to check out the link in the description below. In this video, I am going to show you how to do a audio noise reduction in DaVinci Resolve. I am Tanmay Joshi, you watching Textronaut. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, currently I am using DaVinci Resolve 17 and this here is the timeline of my latest project on how to do keyword research for YouTube. If you haven't watched it already, click on the I button on top corner. For the better audio details, I suggest you to put on your headphones. Okay, let's select any random audio clip on the timeline. Here on the inspector, we can check if the noise reduction profile is already activated or not. In our case, it's currently not activated. Let's check the background noise of this clip. But remember one thing, the right keyword can connect you to the right audience and can give you the best results. In this clip, the background noise is very noticeable and it is do not sound pleasant. Okay, time to activate the noise reduction profile. Just go to the effects library on the left corner. Go in the audio effects section and here you can see the noise reduction tile. Click on it and just drag the tile on the selected audio clip. It instantly opens the noise reduction dashboard. Below this graph, you can see two main options, auto speech mode and manual mode. In manual mode, you can customize plenty of things manually, but I will personally suggest you to go with the audio speech mode. Once you click on it, it will automatically adjust overall settings and reduce noise and give you the best possible results. Okay, the noise reduction profile is successfully applied. Now let's check the audio clip. But remember one thing, the right keyword can connect you to the right audience and can give you the best results. But remember one thing, the right keyword can connect you to the right audience and can give you the best results. Here we can see the big difference after applying noise reduction in our audio clip. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until the next time, keep smiling.